Stag sphere, or crowned stag. You see two stags reflected, or one stag reflected. This is the daylight world, the conscious world, the hemisphere in which we live and breathe. And this is the underworld here. And they're not a perfect reflection, but it's a sort of a mystical reflection. And then the whole spherical part of four parts, I should say, is all of the animals represented in the world, all the water represented in the world, all of the air and all of the trees and all of the plants. So these, if you like, four sceptres of the world, all contained in this one concept. But the whole thing is balanced upon something else that's reflected, and that is a crown that's split in half, reflected down, and lion's paws. So really that represents leadership and the kings of the past. And my tale is that all of this natural world really rests on not one person's crown, but our crowns, our crown, our head crown. So it's on us, be on our heads, be it, if you see what I mean, what we do with all of this and how we treat it. And so welcome to the stag sphere and the concept of the world balanced on your head.